Hey guys, I'm Jo. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you how I do my DIY platinum blonde. So here's the final result. Ayan po siya. So I'm so happy of the outcomes. Ayan po siya. Guys, ano tayo sa labas? So ayan siya. See? It's normal na. Guys, ito naman. So, ayan guys. Hi guys! Good morning. For today's vlog, I'm gonna color my hair blonde again. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna section my hair first and comb it and brush my hair. So, I'm just gonna divide into 4 sections. And take note, when I color my hair, I don't wash my hair like maybe 3 days before I'm gonna color it. So, and it's good. So, it's a bit oily, natural oil. So, sabi nila, it's more safe kaysa yung i-wash mo, not good.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So, ayan guys, after section my hair, I'm gonna use Dirty Volume Developer and Wella bleach powder. So, i-mix ko na siya. Oh shit. So, ayan. And then 2:1 the ratio. So 1 scoop of bleach powder and 2 scoop of Dirty Volume Developer. And siya. Then mix nyo lang siya guys. Mix ko siya na ito. Ayan siya. Hi guys, so ayun, before I start, I'm gonna wear gloves from the protection. So, ito na siya. I just have to put quickly. Hindi ko isasama yung roots. Hanggang dito na siya siguro. Ganyan na. So, ayun. Start na tayo. So, meron akong mirror dito. Mirror din ako dito. Paano na? So, ang nalagyan ko lang ng bleach is yung dark hair lang. Hanggang dito lang siya. Hanggang dyan lang ilalagyan ko ng bleach. Yung dark lang. So, at least I learned by myself. Then, tapos you have to check. after 45 minutes. Rinsing time. And guys, I mix again, but only 20 volume. That's not that strong. So I check my hair. Carry pa naman siya. Kaya pa naman. So, as long as kaya pa na hair mo, it's okay to bleach. I think. So, mix ka lang to guys, and then I'll be back. So, yun guys, I'll just repeat the procedure using bleach again with 20 volume developer. So, it's not that strong. Because if you wanna get a platinum blonde, super blonde, dapat your hair is light enough. So, it's a long process talaga. Double bleach siya. As long as kaya pa ng hair mo. Ayan guys, second batch of bleach. Lagyan ko siya ng foil para mabilis siya matuyo. So, see you in 45 minutes. Hi guys, so ito yung pangalawang bleach. Mas medyo okay na siya kaysa nung una. Tapos, I rinse it and shampoo with purple shampoo. Kaya meron siyang konting white. And then, I'm gonna do is the last step. So, I'm gonna use toner. This one, Wella Toner, T14 and 050. I'm just gonna mix together. So, to get rid of orange color. To get balance of the blonde. So, I'm gonna mix the toner. I'll show you how. So, I'm gonna put Wella Toner, T14. So, 1 bottle of toner and 2 bottle of 20 volume developer. So, 2:1. Okay, 1, 2. I just add a little bit. And then, I'm gonna put the 050 toner. Just like this. Yeah. Then undo it a bit. Okay. Only half. I put half of 050. And then just mix it. So, medyo strong na amoy na. So, ayan guys, na-mix ko na siya. Here's the toner. So, it's gonna be turned like purple. And then, I'm gonna apply to my hair from the bottom. I'm just gonna start in there. So, ayan.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. And nothing got it feel like a slim night. Come on, closer, now I'm waiting for you. But don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us.
So, and then you just leave it for 20 minutes. So, see you later, guys. Ayun, na-apply ko na siya lahat. Hi, guys. So, ito siya. After I rinse it. So, I will blow dry my hair. I will blow dry my hair and then I show you the full result.
Ooh, falling in
guys.
with you.
Gonna
The
siya
only one
on
doing me. You already feel it. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Like a slim night.
Actually, nag-dry na
Come
siya.
closer
As
now,
you
waiting
spot
for
on,
you. But tonight slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high.
Hi guys! So, ito na po ang finished product ng DIY Platinum Blend. So, ayan po siya. So, na-blow dry ko na po siya. And then, blow dry lang po siya. Hindi ko siya pinlansya kasi straight naman yung buhok ko. So, ayan siya. So, I'm happy sa resulta. But there's, ayan, meron siyang hindi ganun na dyan. Pero okay lang yan, will be fine. After a couple of wash, it will be even. Yan siya, so, ayan. So, ayan. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my video. So, ayan. Here's my DIY Platinum Blend.